Following Prime Minister's appeal to encourage local products, Home Ministry has now taken a decision. The decision to only allow domestic products to be made available in the Central Armed Police Forces canteen from June 1st. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me on this big breaking news. Kamaljeet, that's big news. So how much difference will it make and what precisely gets included in the CAPF forces?
Pooja, your audio is not very clear, but I do presume that you're asking about the CAPF decision of the canteen, which has just been announced by Amit Shah, the Home Minister. So very clearly talking about local, that's something which the Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized just about yesterday. That is where the stress will lie. Now we've been told 10 lakh is the number of the CAPF or the paramilitary force, and 50 lakh families will benefit because this will really impact the CAPF canteens where Swadeshi will be available. But what is significant is that no imported valuables are actually available in those canteens. Then there are these local companies, or these are international companies with local employees which are made in India. What happens to that? For instance, there could be something like Colgate or some other company. These are people who are actually international companies but producing in India. They are also locally procured. So down to the line, it will have to be conveyed as to what the government really means by it. Is it going to be just the local companies or international companies with local employees? But this is going to be a huge step because we've been told the turnover for these canteens is 2,800 crore rupees. So that's a lot of money riding on the Swadeshi movement now. But clearly the emphasis is that the local business booms, especially in the time of COVID. But the canteens, let me emphasize again, are completely shut at this point of time.
Okay.
The reopening has not been decided just yet, but from 1st June 2020 is the time where local goods will be available in the CAPF canteens.
All right, going vocal for local, and this will be for the Central Armed Police Forces. That's a big decision that's come in. Kamaljeet Sandhu with all the latest. Kamal, thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.